Hi everyone, it's great to see you. The last video I made you was kind of a sad video in that because of scale I had to get rid of a couple hydrangeas, and today I went around some more checking all the plants, and there were 3 more hydrangeas that I ended up needed to go. And how sad is that? There were a few that had some scale on, and I smushed them and did the best I could cleaning them off. And today, my ladybugs arrived. So ladybugs eat scale. And in an effort to keep scale from spreading to my other plants, I'm gonna put the live ladybugs out. Now, these I ordered from Amazon. I got 2 packages of 1,500 live ladybugs, and they arrived this afternoon, and I put them in the refrigerator. When I took them out, of course, they were all absolutely still because they were chilly little guys, and now they're starting to warm up and they are running around. Now, last year when I did this, I ordered 1,500, so now I have 3,000. Going out for the ladybugs here, and I thought it worked very well. There were a number that were not alive, but you know what? You get enough that are with these that I thought that was okay. Now, the package came with this cute little bookmark here with a live guarantee, and we have the 3,000 count. It has scan for release instructions here and storage. You can refrigerate them up to 2 weeks, it says, but I want them out there eating as much scale as they can. They recommend that you release your ladybugs in the evening so that they're not as active and they tend to stay around and not just automatically fly off in the day. So Dan and I just finished dinner and we're starting to lose the light, so we are going to release these little guys, and this is where it gets so fun. So I'm going to put 1 bag down here to begin with. My idea is I'm going to walk around the yard and put ladybugs everywhere and hope that some of them stay, and hope that I can do this okay. If I remember last time, they start crawling everywhere. I'm shaking them down as carefully as I can. I don't want to hurt any babies. Come on, go down away from the scissors. Some of them are stubborn. Okay, oh, we're going. We're going, and they are already out, and there's one on the ground. Okay, and they're coming out everywhere. The good thing is here, that's okay. I just want some in each of these. Here you go, boys or girls. Oh, they're climbing all up my hand. Good thing I like ladybugs. Everybody should like ladybugs. Okay, and some are flying. Okay. But we just have to keep in mind, we just need some to like it here. Oh my goodness. Okay, good luck, Dan. I'm gonna go quickly because they're creeping up my arms. Ladybugs, please eat all the scale. Oh, they're really adorable. It's so interesting. Some have lots of spots. Some don't have nearly as many spots. Look at all those little guys. They think that food is up my arm. Nope, get in all of our little things here. Find a home, ladybug. Don't fly, don't fly, don't fly. Here we go. Right in here. Hopefully if they fly to another part of our yard. We have a small yard, and I don't want to give 3,000 ladybugs to the neighbors, which could happen. Okay. Here we go. It's okay. It's very warm out here, and the difference between when I took them out of the fridge to now is amazing. I'm coming over here, right by Dan. This particular hydrangea had one white fluffy scale thing on it today. I squished it, but come on, little guys, down in here would be great. Are they attacking you, Dan? They love you. Okay, keep going. Okay, I'm gonna come across to the other side of the yard. Now over on the other side of the yard here, I have two hydrangea. One had a few on it today, and the other one is the Mars hydrangea that I cut back. So I know that this area has had some. So I definitely want some of these little guys to come out and play. Boy, these guys are really alive. I am impressed, I have to say. They're perky. I hope. I probably should have waited a little bit later at night, but that is okay. We'll get them out and hopefully happy. Happiness is good. Okay. We probably have a couple hundred left in here. So here is Ladybug bag number 2. Let's shake them down from the top. Shake them down, shake them down. I wish there was a way just to pull this apart. Maybe I'm missing something, because that would be easier than, yeah, I think I have to cut it. Okay, ladybugs. They move fast. These guys that keep climbing up. Okay, we can do this. Here we go. Don't get near the scissors, babies. Oh, they're already coming out. Oh no! Okay. Whew. Here's a few for this one. Come on, ladybugs. Oh yeah, ladybugs everywhere. Everybody loves a ladybug. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. Oh, look at all those that I just dumped on there. Wow. Okay, that's okay. Ladybugs, and I'm really aiming for hydrangeas. Even though these in the ground haven't had any, I want to protect them. That was a lot. Okay. Oh, aren't these hydrangeas looking great though? Look, they're starting to bloom. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. I can feel them tickling up my arm. Okay, let's get some in here. Look at the rose while you're here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Okay, we're gonna come back, and I want to put a few of these back by the back fence. Okay, right in here, babes. There we go. Come on, buggies. These are really all alive. So I would say compared to last year, and I don't remember who I ordered from last year, but it was somebody different. They came in like little sawdust. There were maybe half of them alive, and these are like all alive. It really is amazing. They are not kidding that they're alive. Come on, off my hand, honey. There we go. There we go. This one's a little slow, but he was still wiggling. Oh, and we got 2 here. There we go, right on that plant. Nope, that's up my arm. Okay. And we're still going up the arm. Oh, look at this one, doesn't have any spots. How funny is that? Okay, hopefully even without spots, you like hydrangea bugs. Okay, eat the bugs. Well, I guess this video is an example of making the best of not the best situation here. Ladybugs are great. We want to entice them into our yard, and if they stay, fabulous, and they can eat all of our little bugs that we don't want. And I am thrilled with these ladybugs. So it's evening. Hopefully they settle down now, and I'll link below where I ordered these from in case you're interested in giving that a try, but we've just added 3,000 ladybugs to the yard. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.